Hello, fellow food enthusiasts and travelers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate destination for exploring the most unique, flavorful, and iconic foods from all around the globe. If you love discovering new dishes, diving into diverse cultures, and celebrating the world's most exciting holidays through food, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our culinary journeys. Around the world, special occasions are celebrated with food that tells a story. Whether it's a festive family feast, a seasonal tradition, or a ceremonial dish, the food served during holidays holds deep cultural meaning. In this episode, we're taking you on a global culinary adventure to discover festive foods from various cultures, exploring what's served on special occasions and the significance behind these iconic dishes. From Christmas dinners to Lunar New Year banquets and weddings to harvest festivals, let's uncover the foods that make every celebration extraordinary. Ready to dive in? Let's go! 1. Christmas in Germany, a magical Christmas market feast. In Germany, Christmas is not only about decorations and gifts, but also about food. The Christmas markets, known as Weihnachtsmärkte, are an integral part of German holiday celebrations. These festive markets, often set in picturesque town squares, are filled with the smell of spiced mulled wine, glühwein, roasted chestnuts, and delicious traditional treats. Families gather for festive meals, and the food plays a central role in bringing warmth and joy during the cold winter season. Key dishes for Christmas in Germany. Bratwurst, a famous German sausage. Bratwurst is usually served in a bun with mustard and sauerkraut. At Christmas markets, bratwurst is often cooked over an open flame, offering a savory snack perfect for a winter day. Lebkuchen, these gingerbread cookies are a holiday staple in Germany. Lebkuchen are often decorated with icing and sold at Christmas markets, bringing sweetness and spice to the holiday atmosphere. They come in various shapes and sizes, from hearts to stars, making them a festive treat for all ages. Glühwein, a warm, spiced red wine infused with cinnamon, cloves, and citrus zest. Glühwein is a must-have drink at any German Christmas market. It's perfect for warming up on a cold evening and is often served in a festive mug that can be taken home as a souvenir. Stollen, a fruit bread filled with dried fruits, nuts, and marzipan. Stollen is the quintessential Christmas dessert in Germany. It is often dusted with powdered sugar and shared among family members, symbolizing the joy and unity of the season. Cultural significance. German Christmas food celebrates tradition, family, and togetherness. The food served at Christmas markets is meant to bring comfort, warmth, and joy during the holiday season, and it serves as a way for people to connect with their cultural heritage. 2. Diwali in India, a colorful festival of flavors. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is one of the most important holidays in India. It celebrates the triumph of good over evil and light over darkness, and is observed by millions of people across the country and beyond. The festival involves decorating homes with lamps, bursting fireworks, exchanging gifts, and of course, indulging in special foods. During Diwali, food plays a key role in the celebration, and there's a wide variety of sweets and savory dishes to enjoy. Key dishes for Diwali. Samosas, one of the most popular savory snacks in India. Samosas are deep-fried pastries filled with spiced potatoes, peas, or meat. Their crispy exterior and savory interior make them perfect for Diwali parties and gatherings. Laddu, a round, sweet treat made from chickpea flour, ghee, and sugar. Laddu is a must-have during Diwali. It's often shared with family and friends, symbolizing prosperity and good fortune. Barfi, a fudge-like sweet made with condensed milk, sugar, and ghee. Barfi is flavored with cardamom, pistachios, and sometimes rosewater. It's a rich, indulgent treat that's perfect for celebrating Diwali. Chakli, a crunchy, savory snack. Chakli is made from rice, flour, and spices. It's often served alongside the sweet treats during Diwali, offering a balance of flavors and textures. Cultural significance. Diwali is a time for celebration, renewal, and gratitude. The food during this holiday reflects the abundance of blessings and prosperity that the new year brings, and sharing these dishes strengthens bonds among family and friends. 3. Lunar New Year in China, a celebration of wealth and luck. In China, Lunar New Year, also called Chinese New Year, is the most important celebration of the year. It marks the beginning of the lunar calendar and is a time for families to come together, pay respects to ancestors, and celebrate the start of a new year filled with good fortune and prosperity. Food plays a central role in the celebrations, with each dish symbolizing a different wish or blessing for the year ahead. Key dishes for Lunar New Year in China. Dumplings, jiaozi. Dumplings are a staple during Lunar New Year celebrations in China. Their shape resembles gold ingots, symbolizing wealth and prosperity. They are often filled with pork, shrimp, or vegetables and are either boiled, steamed, or fried. Spring rolls. Spring rolls are crispy and golden, and their color symbolizes wealth and prosperity. They are typically filled with vegetables, meat, or shrimp, making them a savory treat for the new year. Fish. In Chinese culture, the word for fish, yu, sounds like the word for abundance. A whole fish is often served during Lunar New Year meals to symbolize wealth, and eating it is believed to bring surplus in the coming year. Nyan Gao rice cake. This sticky rice cake is made from glutinous rice and is believed to symbolize growth and strength. The dish is often served in a sweet or savory form, and it's said to bring success and progress in the new year. Cultural significance. The food during Lunar New Year represents wishes for a prosperous, healthy, and happy new year. Each dish is carefully chosen for its symbolic meaning, making the meal a meaningful part of the celebration. 4. Christmas in Italy. The Feast of the Seven Fishes. In Italy, Christmas Eve is celebrated with a grand feast called La Vigilia, the Vigil. The meal is traditionally meatless as Italians fast on Christmas Eve in preparation for the arrival of Christmas Day. The most iconic part of this meal is the Feast of the Seven Fishes, a tradition where families serve 7 different seafood dishes, representing the abundance of the sea and the idea of spiritual renewal. Key dishes for Italian Christmas. Salted cod. One of the most traditional dishes in the Feast of the Seven Fishes is made from salted cod and is prepared in various ways: fried, stewed, or served as a salad with tomatoes, olives, and capers. Fried calamari. Lightly battered and fried, calamari squid is often served with lemon wedges and a side of marinara sauce for dipping. Its golden color symbolizes wealth and prosperity. Linguine with clams. Linguine pasta topped with a white wine sauce and fresh clams, seasoned with garlic and olive oil. This dish is simple yet flavorful, and it's perfect for the Christmas Eve meal. Shrimp scampi. Shrimp scampi is a dish made from shrimp, garlic, butter, and white wine, offering a rich and flavorful taste that is perfect for the holiday feast. Cultural significance. The Feast of the Seven Fishes represents abundance, renewal, and the celebration of the spiritual significance of Christmas. It's a way for families to honor their faith and heritage while enjoying the gifts of the sea. 5. Midsummer in Sweden, a celebration of nature's bounty. Midsummer is one of the most beloved holidays in Sweden, marking the arrival of the summer solstice and the longest day of the year. The holiday is a celebration of nature, fresh seasonal ingredients, and family togetherness. The food served during midsummer is light, fresh, and reflects the abundance of summer produce. Key dishes for Swedish midsummer. Pickled herring. This iconic Swedish dish features pickled herring in various flavors such as mustard, dill, and garlic. It's served with new potatoes, sour cream, and fresh dill, making it a light and refreshing dish. Gravid lax is cured salmon that's seasoned with salt, sugar, and dill. It's traditionally served with mustard sauce and crisp bread for a simple yet flavorful dish. Strawberry cake, jordgubbsturte. During midsummer, strawberries are in full bloom, and this light cake made with whipped cream and fresh strawberries is the perfect dessert to celebrate the season. Cultural significance. Swedish midsummer food is all about celebrating nature, freshness, and simplicity. The holiday is an opportunity to enjoy the best of the season's produce, while gathering with loved ones to appreciate the beauty of summer, a feast of tradition, culture, and celebration. Food is at the heart of every holiday celebration, connecting us to tradition, family, and culture. From the 7 seafood dishes of Italy to the pickled herring of Sweden, these iconic holiday foods reflect the unique customs and joyous spirit of each celebration. They remind us that holidays are not just about gifts and decorations, but about the shared experiences and memories made around the table. Which of these holiday dishes would you love to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive food adventures with Global Eats Uncovered.